Hi, I'd like to place an order, please.
Hello. Welcome to a fast food name. What can I get started for you today?
I'm not sure yet. Could you tell me what's on the menu? I'm looking for something light but filling.
Of course. For lighter options, we have grilled chicken sandwiches, salads, and veggie wraps. If you're looking for something more filling, our burgers and double cheeseburgers are very popular. We also have combo meals with fries and a drink.
I think I'll go with the grilled chicken sandwich. Does it come with any sides?
Yes, if you order it as part of a combo meal, it comes with fries and a drink. Otherwise, you can add sides separately. Would you like to make it a combo?
Yes. Let's do the combo. But instead of fries, could I get onion rings?
Sure thing. Onion rings it is. And what size would you like for your drink?
Large, please. And I'll take a Diet Coke.
Got it. A grilled chicken sandwich combo with onion rings and a large Diet Coke. Would you like any extra toppings or sauces? We have ketchup, mustard, mayo, BBQ sauce, hot sauce, ranch dressing, garlic aioli, and honey mustard.
Does the grilled chicken sandwich come with seasoning already?
Yes, it's lightly seasoned with garlic and herb seasoning. But if you'd like, we can add extra seasoning or sauces on the side.
That sounds good. I'll take some extra BBQ sauce on the side. And could you sprinkle some chili powder and paprika on the onion rings?
Absolutely. Extra BBQ sauce, chili powder, and paprika on the onion rings. Anything else I can add to your order? Maybe a dessert or an appetizer?
What desserts do you have?
We have chocolate chip cookies, apple pies, and ice cream sundaes. The apple pie is warm and served with a side of vanilla ice cream.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I'll take the apple pie.
Great choice. So to confirm, a grilled chicken sandwich combo with onion rings, a large Diet Coke, extra BBQ sauce, chili powder and paprika on the onion rings, and an apple pie. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Your total comes to $16.50. How would you like to pay? We accept cash, credit cards, and mobile payments.
I'll pay with a credit card. Do you need me to swipe it here or at the next window?
You can just drive up to the next window and we'll process your card there. Oh, and just to confirm, would you like any change from the transaction? For example, if you'd like smaller bills or coins.
No, that's fine. Just process it as it is.
Perfect. Please drive up to the next window and we'll get your order ready. Thanks so much.
Thank you. You too.